Welcome to the Weather Center. Good afternoon, everyone. Here's what we are looking at this Sunday. We are going to see isolated to scattered showers this afternoon over the northern and northeastern parts of the country. At the same time, there is a chance of light rain along parts of the east coast, but it's going to stay sizzling hot for the western parts of South Africa. Now, the most recent satellite picture is showing us this thick mass of cloud drifting from Namibia and Botswana into the northern, central, and northeastern parts of the country. Out in the southern waters, we have this cold front that is having its eyes set for our shores, and it's already pushing in quite a bit of cloud into the eastern Cape coastal areas. So the rest of your Sunday is going to look more like this. Isolated to scattered thundershowers are forecast from the northern parts of the northern Cape and northwest into much of Limpopo. The showers could also spill into parts of Mpumalanga and the Gauteng province. Light rain is forecast along the east coast. It's going to stay mostly sunny for the rest of the country, with sizzling hot afternoon temperatures once again along the west coast and adjacent interior. Then on Monday, we stay with light rain over parts of the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, pushing northwards into eastern Mpumalanga. The rest of northeastern South Africa will stay with isolated thundershowers, and it's going to stay mostly sunny for the remainder of the country. This afternoon, you can expect up to a 40% chance of thundershowers along the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. A 40% chance of thundershowers is also forecast for the northern areas and northeastern parts of the country, where you see the light shades of blue, but we're expecting scattered thunderstorms where you see the dark shade of blue across parts of the Limpopo province. Light winds are forecasted this Sunday afternoon across much of the interior. A light to moderate southeasterly breeze is forecast for the KwaZulu-Natal and eastern Cape coastal areas, as well as around the Cape Peninsula. We still have an advisory for heatwave conditions, which should continue into Tuesday next week along the west coast and the adjacent interior, as well as around the west coast district of the Western Cape. Now, with that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Sunday afternoon. It's going to be sizzling hot around Vredendal. Cape Town should hit the 30-degree mark, hotter as we go towards Upington. Cooler temperatures for the central and eastern areas. Highs in the lower 20s are forecast for Mahikeng, Johannesburg, Bethlehem, as well as Polokwane. It's going to stay warm across much of KwaZulu-Natal. Top temperatures around 23 for East London and 22 for Bishop. It's going to stay rather warm overnight along the west coast and the adjacent interior. Springbok and Cape Town dropping to around 19 degrees. Another chilly night is forecast for much of the interior, where minimums below 10 degrees are forecast in most places. Johannesburg drops to 11, the same for Pietermaritzburg. Warmer as we go towards Durban, a low temperature of 15 for East London as well as Port Elizabeth. A sunny and warm to hot day is forecast on Monday for the western parts of the country. Thundershowers will continue over the northeast. Light rain and drizzle is forecast along the east coast. Then on Tuesday, we stay with light rain and drizzle along the east coast, pushing northwards into Mbombela. It's going to stay mostly sunny over the western areas.